Start the story, Himaja.
One day, the capsule is there.
What is the title of the story?
Capsule and monkeys.
Oh, wow.
One day, see, capsule is there. The capsule is in the basket in the caps.
Mm.
Then capsule said caps.
Selling the caps.
Selling the caps.
Okay.
Caps this like. Okay. Then what happened? The capsule is so tired.
Mm.
He went to the tree.
Under the tree.
Under the tree, she's sleeping. He's sleeping.
Mm.
One day, the monkeys come.
Oh.
So many monkeys come.
Mm.
Then capsule basket is there, no. There's so many caps there, no. Then monkeys took capsule caps.
Mm.
Then capsule wake up. Then he see in the basket. No caps.
Oh.
Just look at this left, right and left.
Mm.
She look right and left.
But there's no caps.
But it's no caps. Then see up. The up is caps is there. Monkeys took caps, no.
Mm.
The monkeys took caps. Capsule say
Mm.
monkeys also say Why saying the same thing? The capsule scratching the head.
Huh.
Monkey also scratching the head.
Hey, wow.
Then capsule got idea.
Ah.
Then capsule cap is there, no round. Capsule round cap is there. Is throw in the basket. Monkeys also throw in the basket.
Oh, wow.
The full caps are there.
Mm.
Then the capsule is happy.
Wow, very good.
Moral of the story is capsule and monkeys.
Title of the story is Capsule and Monkeys.
Title of the story is Capsule